alongside a fresh, crispy...
Yeah. Enough. My ship sails in the morning. In the morning. In the morning.
So today,
I'm trying something new. This is your field of expertise.
this is my field of expertise, but let me open by saying, back in the late-ish 2000s, there was a trend, a meme on YouTube of videos called YouTube poops.
Oh god, those were the days.
Tell me what you know about YouTube poop.
So I know the ones you showed me about, the king. So I know a lot of them also are made with specifically these CDI garbage ass videos.
They were the popular subject matter for these videos because they were whack to begin with, and it was just funny to just kind of screw around with them.
Right. And I also remember seeing one other one I remember seeing is Dr. Robotnik from the Sonic cartoon. Because at the end, Dr. Robotnik plays the game on his Game Boy.
Yes.
At the end of it, they have that Bullet for Valentine song.
Hey, I remember that Robotnik something Game Boy where you could push the B button and your dick was moved.
Pingus, pingus, pingus. And that shit would it would extend out and then uppercut somebody.
Right. So I would make those kind of videos. They were stupid, but they're still kind of popular. There's still this following for these dumb videos.
Which is all the more impressive in this kind of generation of we have fads and then we move on.
Yeah.
I'm waiting for the day we move on from Fortnite, but that's a whole different story. You're the YouTube poop master.
Nice of the princess to invite us over for a picnic, eh, Louie?
I'd like to make a point right here. That's a dick. So Bowser's the king of Koopas, right?
Yeah.
And you're telling me this bitch can't spell resort?
I already have a funny idea for this.
By all means, my friend.
So there's this cool thing you can do in Vegas where you can crop something out. So I'm gonna crop one eye out. So basically, you can't tell it's been cropped out, but when I do this, you can see it. But what if I move this video over slightly?
Oh Jesus!
It's gonna get f***ed up.
Right. Oh shit!
I'm trying to find that. Luigi, look! And then he looks over at the thing. There we go. Cause see, I fucked up his eyes. See, that's what I wanted to do. So let me find right there. That's where it starts.
Oh my god!
It ends. Oh, that's really bad, actually. That looks scarier than I thought it would. Okay. Right there. Let's just have it stop right there. Now let's watch it.
Oh god.
Let's go.
Dear pesky plumbers, the Koopalings and I have taken over the I dare you to find.
Anyway, that's one example of something you can do, you know?
Right. I never realized you could do something so simple to make some dumbass shit like that.